Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram black or white screen. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply go back from here, and then let me tell you that after that what you have to do is just simply open Play Store, and firstly you have to check for update, if any update available for Instagram. So you have to update your Instagram. So here you can see it's showing here open. So after that what you need to do is just simply update your Instagram and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and after that scroll it on, tap on app management, go to app settings, and from here you have to search for Instagram. Here it is. And after that what you need to do is just simply force stop the app, and after that what you have to do is just simply go back from here and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply uninstall your Instagram, and then what you need to do is just simply restart your phone and then reinstall it, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply convert your network connection to mobile data if you are using Wi-Fi. And if you are using mobile data, then you have to turn your connection into Wi-Fi. So after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply log in your account to any browser like this. So you have to log in your account to any browser, and from here what you need to do is just simply tap on report a problem, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.